KTM presented a completely updated electric Enduro FREERIDE E 2025. The KTM FREERIDE E now has a new chassis and many new components and features, such as increased battery capacity and a transmission developed by KTM. Nominal power 11 kilowatts, maximum power 19 kilowatts, torque 37 Newton meters, and maximum speed 95 kilometers per hour. It is noted that the KTM FREERIDE E should be significantly quieter and safer than the previous model. 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal and Sport, and 3 energy recovery settings, Off, Medium and High, are available. Traction control can be adjusted to a specific level to limit or increase wheel spin. And for safety, there is a tilt sensor that cuts off the power supply in the event of an accident. The FREERIDE is equipped with an MX50 lithium-ion battery weighing 29 kilograms, which is replaceable. The battery capacity is 5.5 kilowatt-hours. According to KTM, the battery lasts for more than 1,000 charge cycles before efficiency drops to 80%. The battery is fully charged in 8 hours using standard household electricity. KTM has also developed a new chassis. The geometry was adjusted and the wheelbase was extended for more stability. Weight in working condition is less than 115 kilograms. Seat height is 906 millimeters. The latest generation of WP chassis is responsible for the suspension on difficult tracks. A big advantage of this motorcycle is low maintenance costs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.